keep going. We gotta go. We got a long drive ahead of us.
Yeah.
Is that it?
Yep.
That one, they bought more of them than they did at Sam's Toy. And that one's on the very end. Yep.
Although Sam wants to
You've
grab
been
a
buying them too. That's down at the last row.
Careful.
A little bit in the top row. Next time, when we do this again, we'll have to bring 24 cases.
Yeah,
I love this so much.
I know you do.
What'd you say?
So the next time we fill up, we'll have to bring 24 cases. Because we're putting another 12 pack in, so it's been 3 days.